Welcome back to Modern Day Bum Living, where today we have a special episode called Redneck Welding.
Welcome back. This is not a profession build-up, like the title says. Redneck Welding. I never built anything. I never weld anything, so I really don't have building skills. But I'm not afraid to make mistakes, and this is it. Let's do it. I went to the store, pick up the steel. This is my friend Redneck truck. you know, yeah, that's you can tell that that's a redneck truck right there. So this is his shop. I mean, his shop is pretty much a camp trailer. That's his house, and then there's this trailer frame that I use it to build my frame on the top of it, which worked out quite well. And then as I was welding, it started raining like crazy. I was like, God, I look it up on Google. Can I weld in the rain? And said, nope. So I stopped welding and covered all the steel, prevent from corrosion. So you can have an idea. My friend, he's a true redneck, and this is how he made, a new mud flap. He didn't want to spend any money on a new mud flap, and this is it. This is how he did it.
Right?
Is that the mud flap?
Yeah.
Really funny, right? This guy's cracked me up. So this is again another picture of his house, and then the shop that I'll be working in. I was making the corner on the frame. I made all the square part of it. Now I need to make the turns. There was like two round corners, and that was so hard. I couldn't come out with anything. And then he's like, "Oh, just cut the metal and just make small little increment cut and then bang it and again and just cut it and hammer it, cut and hammer until you get the right angle." So that's what I did. I keep going back and forth and bang, there you have it. I was able to get the angle. That was literally over 2 hours, but I got it done. So yeah, so this is me kind of double checking everything and make sure the angle is right, the measurement is right, and then I'm gonna start tacking it. Yeah, one thing about welding is if you can't weld it, you need to be a good grinder. And this is an example of how bad my welding is. Look at that the turn there; it looks terrible, right? But after I grind all that, smooth it out, paint it, it looks great. That looks like that was never there. And take a look. Look how it looks. It looks fantastic. No complaint on that. So and then this is me the next day.
I got you.
Welding the other side. I mean, I don't have a lot of footage of me welding because I was working alone, so most of the time, so I couldn't film and weld at the same time. So and then I took a video after weld. I went ahead and took a video of the frame. This is me filming the frame, kind of, and this is the welder. And then that tank that you see there was like $600 for that tank, which was pretty good. It was enough for. That's a lot of gas on that tank, though. $600 was, I thought, was one hell of a good deal. And I bought the welding, the cutting machine for him, so he have every kind of tool you can possibly think of. So it helped to have a good redneck friend.
Yeah.
So this is me double checking all the welders and see if everything looked
Got a lot
good.
done
So I
today.
kind of centered the whole frame and then getting ready. It looks good. I perform a stress test. I hit it with a hammer hard on the welder to see if it's gonna crack or something. It did not. So I was like, awesome. So I sent it, cleaned it up, and then after that I started getting ready to apply the anti-corrosion. Kind of clean up the weld a little bit more, the grinders, grinding a little bit more. Sorry. So then I went ahead and this is it. Me applying the the anti-corrosion. Uh, on the instruction says 2 coats, but I mean, I had a whole gallon of it, so I went ahead and did a 3 coat of it, and they spent up 3 hours. Why not? Why not three? So it came out really, really good. I couldn't believe I built up this frame. So was a lot of work, but yeah, I save a lot of money. I either pay 20 something $1,000 or it cost me under three. And the question is, how am I gonna get that in the RV right now? I have no idea. That's something that I need to just brainstorm, figure it out how I'm gonna get that in the RV. I might have to remove the sides or the top or the bumper or something. I gotta figure it out. But anyway, any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please subscribe and like. And I see you on the next video. Thank you very much.